Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a reverse swipe on this cute little hexagon canvas, and we are going to be using all metallics, and we're going to swipe over with the black. This is kind of an experiment for me. I've never done one with all metallics, so let's see if it's going to work. So I'm going to set this aside, and we are going to use this cup. I'm going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. But I am going to wipe it out because I don't want any tiny cells. And I just want to see if we can get that marble effect from that. Let me wipe my hand off with a baby wipe so I don't get any of that on there. Alright, I'm going to start with the worn penny from DecoArt. And follow that with some gold. Now remember, this is a flip cup, so you don't have to layer. The Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue. And now we're going to try some Aqua Flash from Folk Art ColorShift. A little bit more gold. Some Creative Inspirations Copper. A little bit more blue. Oops. I was watching over there. I don't want to get it all over the place. And then the Craftsmart Deep Bronze. I love that color. And let's shove some gold down through. Okay. Plenty of paint. This is my last painting for the day, so I am a little klutzy. I'm going to pour some black around. All of my paint is dropped, so now I'm going to go ahead and flip my cup. And then I'm going to pull my black over. Doesn't matter if you don't get it all. I did swipe it up over, so it does have black underneath, and that's why it's selling out like crazy. Okay, let me give it a quick torch. And let's start tilting. So I am going side to side because I'm trying to keep my flip cup paint in the middle. If that's where it's at, we don't know. So I still have a lot of paint on there. Just let me let it rest for a second. See what's coming. I can get my sides while I'm waiting, because there's so many on a hexagon to get all those corners. Let's torch it and see what happens, and then we'll see if we need to tilt in a specific direction. I'm loving this side, and I like this side too. I almost just want to leave it and see what happens. But I'm thinking the black is probably too thick. middle. See it setting there? So let's take a little bit off this way. We are going to bring it back. That's going to open it up just a little bit and let that black go down through. Seeing lots of little pop-ups now. Let me go ahead and torch it some more. You really want to warm up the paint without burning it. So I'm using a new software program for the camera, so I don't have a pause button on this one. But we can wait a couple of minutes and see what happens. The runoff is very pretty. I probably could get some great jewelry skins off of this one. We have lots of cells coming up through the original edges that were exposed. But it's really pretty. I'm kind of loving the Aqua flash in there with that cobalt blue. So the thumbnail for this video will be the piece after it's developed. So if you need to go out and look at it again, it'll be there. I'll also post the dried version in the Parage Posse, as well as in my Christina Welch Art page. Give you a close-up. There's so much more coming up. I wish I had a pause button. I would give you 15 minutes. Haven't figured out how to do the whole time-lapse thing yet. But we're learning very slowly. New software. So there you have it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have the Christina Welch Art page and also the Parage Posse. That is for all of our subscribers. And shop with us on Amazon for all your supplies and for your everyday purchases. Stone Coat Art Coat Resin is still available. We have a code for $10 off now, and that is below. Also Teespring for clothing. Fan mailbox address is there. If you're interested in paintings, check out our Etsy shop. We have lots of paintings there on sale until January 19th. And then we're having our next auction. And we'll see how everything goes there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.